Baby Munchkins.
What are you making today?
Chocolate brownies.
Chocolate brownies in the box.
Mm.
And we have, what do we have? We have, what is this?
Eggs.
And we have,
Oh yeah.
and this one is this?
Water.
Water.
We need to crack the fruits.
We're crack it first. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Slowly. Oops, you got it one. So number 2. Whoa. Oopsie. We have eggs.
Let's go to here.
Okay.
Open.
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 Open the mixed chocolate. Wow. What do we have? What is that? What is that?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate what? Brownies mix.
Brownies mix.
Now, good job.
Let's go in.
Okay.
Let's pour it into eggs.
Okay, what's next?
Need peanuts.
What do we do next?
Mix it. Huh? Water.
Put water. And what's next? Oil.
Onion. It's not yet. Try to mix it. Bye eggs.
What are you doing?
Mixing.
Oops, hold it. Oh, it's ready. The oven is ready. Oh, you gotta hold this. How you doing?
I'm mixing and I'm not here. Not. I just
So are you making this for Ate, your sister?
yeah. I just be happy.
Ate will be happy.
Yeah, I just really love it.
Ate will love it. Nice. You keep mixing.
It's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put it in what?
Here.
In this pan. Okay, let's spread the butter. Spread the butter. You gonna do that?
No.
No? Okay, what are you gonna do next? Let's put some
Yes.
a parchment paper.
That's what it's doing.
So now what are you gonna do next? What are you gonna do? Let's pour it over here like this. Okay, ready? There. What do you think? Oops.
Done.
Done. We have now, it's ready to
Cook.
cook. Where are we gonna put this?
Microwave.
Microwave? No, oven. Yes.
And hold.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna close it.
No, I want to.
Got the eight.
It's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Few moments later.
Okay.
No.
How was it? So what do you think, Kristen?
Crunchy.
Crunchy?
Yummy. Yummy.
It is a dark chocolate brownies.
Bye-bye. Thank you, friend.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to
Watch, subscribe. Bye-bye.
all right.